Hello everyone, this is Miss Paige Dale 08 coming to you to do a unboxing of Cream and Coco, their February box. I got this yesterday when I got back into town. So let's get to it. I'm opening it. It smells really good. I haven't opened up the box yet, but it smells good. Yeah, but it smells nice. So yeah. The box retailed for $25, so this is how much I paid for this box. So yeah, so yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside, and it says welcome spring. This month's box theme is around 3 fun events in the month of March. The beginning of spring, yay! Please hurry up. Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day. Our team had fun fusing together products with highlights from these events. We hope you enjoy them and they work well for you. We appreciate you and your business and look forward to meeting your skin and hair care needs in the future. And it says thanks for getting your Cream and Coco on. So, and then it gives a description like always in regards to the items that's inside the box. So this is what it looks like. Okay, those are the items. So let's get started here. The first item is it's a juicy pomegranate hand polish. It says it's a pomegranate seed and pure sugarcane crystal polish to be vibrant, hydrate, glow, and then emulsify into a creamy lotion, softening hands. Oh, cool. So this is what it is. It's in this container. And this is 3 ounces. You know, I like her body scrubs. I have like a couple of those still from Black Friday. Crap, muffins. Okay, I can't open. No, I can't open it. It smells good because some of it's seeped out. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that's 3 ounces, and that retails for $8. Then you have Smile Butter Berry Mint. Now you know what? This is what I think it is. Oh crap. Really? Oh wow. This is what it looks like. I just dropped the card. Hold on, sorry. It retails for $3. But I'm trying to see if there's something on there. Smells good, but I think I'll pass. Oh, Smile Butter is organic fluoride free tooth soap flavored with refreshing spring berries and sweet mint flavor. Retails for $3. I got this I think during Black Friday when she had it, and I haven't used it, so I really don't know how it is. So that is a sample size. Now then, this is her Shamrock Smoothie Cooling Scalp Serum. Now she teased us with her on her Instagram page as well as on her Facebook page, and she said that she really likes it. This retails for $5. It's a cooling scalp treatment to soothe itchy scalp during protective styling. So this is something that she used. I think she said that her daughters really do like it. And she uses it on their hair. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, it has a nice smell to it. Don't want to lose it. So this right here again retails for $5. And then there is a snap, boom. I can't show this because it says congratulations, you found the baby in your king cake. Okay, we didn't actually stick a baby in the soap as you would find in the traditional dessert. Enjoy the Mardi Gras, but we did something ever better to and gave you this gift certificate, and it's good for $5 off your purchase. Aren't you lucky? Snap, I like. So anyway, it's some soap. Wow. So that's the soap. Congratulations to me. Snap. Okay, back to the video. King cake. It's a creamy cocoa butter soap scented with light cream cake of the traditional Mardi Gras dessert. $2.75. Along with my coupon when she reboots. Come back to the house. Oh, what's this? And then you have a sweet Irish cream, nutrient rich, dark. Is that, I don't know what that is. Conditioner, some type of conditioner. Oh, snap. Where is it? Okay, so now it's a deep conditioner made with robust, dark Irish Guinness beer for soft, shiny hair. Retails for $9. So this is a deep conditioner. Why can't I open anything? How about this? Sorry. Still can't. Me working out twice a week for the trainer's not really working, is it? If I can't open this. Okay, it wins. So anyway, this is a deep conditioner. It says it's about 4 ounces. So yeah, look at it. It's a loose conditioner, if you can see that. Bam! So that's what you get. You get 1,